You know I love a good Dollar Tree haul. But I've also noticed in the comments that you guys are mentioning you're having trouble finding some of the products that I'm sharing with you. Well, I hear your calls, and today I want to share with you guys some tips that will help you find everything you're looking for at Dollar Tree. Because in the Fab family, I don't gatekeep. I'm going to put you on to the tactics that I use when I am on the hunt for specific products at Dollar Tree. So let me share with you some tips and tricks when you're on the hunt for the most viral, most coveted Dollar Tree items. One more time. Hello, Fab family. Hello. It's good to see you. All right, guys, let's get down to business. So you guys know I stay in the comments. And in those comments, I've noticed that a lot of people are just saying that they cannot find some of the stuff that we have here in California. Girl, I live in a small town. Like literally, Dollar Tree is all we have here. So the fact that we have these things, you guys have them too. So today I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks that I personally use when I'm on the hunt for viral items, because my Dollar Trees tend to be about a week or so behind the Dollar Tree haulers that I watch. And I always kind of like to watch them because then I know what to keep an eye out for. And it gives me a little bit of a cushion because I know my Dollar Trees probably have not stocked those items yet. So what it would be a good idea for you guys is to make sure you're kind of keeping your eye on that as well, seeing maybe when I am showing you the stuff and kind of comparing that to when your Dollar Trees are actually putting them on the shelves. And that will give you an idea of how long it would take for you guys to maybe receive some of the stuff that you're seeing me haul. So without any more yapping, we got to talk about our Dollar Tree lip combo. So quickly, Dollar Tree lip combo for today is 2 of the newest Be Pure lipsticks. These are the High Shine lipsticks from Be Pure. I have on the 2 lightest shades. It only came in 3 shades, but the shades are not listed on the components. You guys know I love me a combo, so I literally just boop, boop, dark one, the light one, right in the middle. I love these, y'all. These are a High Shine lipstick. And they mean it. They are shiny. They are like a gloss. They're more of a gloss than a lipstick. But I'm in love with these. I hope that they come out with more shades of these. The only thing I don't like is the packaging. And it's just because of the shape of it. It just doesn't sit together well. Other than that, these are awesome. If you guys see these in your Dollar Trees, they're just stocking these up right about now. If you guys see these, I would highly recommend grabbing these ones. But let's get into these tips and tricks for when you are looking for some Dollar Tree products. Okay. All right, Fab family. So before we get into this, let me just give you a little disclaimer. So I have been doing these videos for about 1.5 years now. So I have learned all of these tips and tricks tried and true on the road through myself. These are things that I've learned through the process of this channel and ways that I have found to find viral products. Because just like you, I'm looking for the same stuff you guys are looking for. I see the same content that you guys do, and it always puts me on, and I'm always intrigued and on the hunt for something. So with that being said, I've got 5 good tips for you guys when you're on the hunt for certain products. Let's just get to. The first tip is going to be location. Not all Dollar Trees are made equal. So some Dollar Trees are going to be bussin' while other Dollar Trees will be womp. So what I mean by that is, unfortunately, stores that get a lot of theft or that are in more of like a really high foot traffic area, they just tend to get a lot more theft, which means that they aren't going to be stocked as well in the beauty section. Beauty is obviously going to be a very easy item to steal, and it's one of the most stolen products at Dollar Tree. So that means that those stores just are not going to stock the beauty products. So those stores are going to tend to just get like the bare minimum of the beauty products, just the things that you're going to see in literally every single store. So if you're looking for actual beauty items, I would avoid those stores. So that means you're probably going to want to try to find stores that are in more nicer locations, quieter strip malls, shopping centers, towns that are a little bit smaller. For some reason, I've just noticed over time that they tend to have the best selection. When I go to places that are a lot busier, that have just are in like really busy areas, unless it's a really nice busy area. Yeah, their Dollar Trees just don't have it. I also like to frequent more than one Dollar Tree. So even though I live in a small town, my small town has 3 Dollar Trees, y'all, and they are all different. Each one stocks different things at different times, and none of them have the same stuff. So with that being said, I do shop all 3 of them frequently. I absolutely do a Dollar Tree crawl at least once a week. I used to film more Dollar Tree content in Dollar Tree, but I have gotten out of that habit just because, for lots of reasons, I'm just not a film in the store kind of person, and I just like to be more in the moment. Plus, it just makes, I feel like I miss things. I just feel like I don't see everything. So I tend to just rather show you guys in a haul. I just grab everything and show you guys in a haul. But I would definitely pay attention to where you're shopping, because that's going to definitely dictate the amount of beauty products that that store gets, and also the quality of the products that the store gets. So basically, a nicer area is going to equal a nicer store, which is also going to equal better selection. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes I even go out to stores out of town. You guys know, if I leave my town, I'm absolutely positively going to the Dollar Tree wherever I go. I've even had my husband, when he's gone out of town, go to Dollar Trees and FaceTime me there, and he's brought home some goodies, y'all. So definitely don't sleep on an out-of-town Dollar Tree. I feel like those are the absolute best. So the next tip I'd like to give you guys is timing. Make sure that you know when the truck comes. Make sure you know when they are getting their deliveries. Dollar Tree gets a weekly delivery, you guys. They get a weekly, like 18-wheeler truck of stuff. So you guys need to find out when that truck arrives, because if the truck arrives on a Tuesday, it takes them probably a little bit of time, maybe an hour or so, a couple of hours to get the items off the truck. And then it'll take an hour or so for them to start stocking the items. So my truck comes on a Tuesday. I always go in on Wednesday. Wednesday by like noon, Olga, she's got it out. She's usually got it out, but lately it's been so much stuff that I've actually been coming back on Wednesday and Thursday, which I'm happy that I do. Excuse me. I'm happy that I do that, because when I do go back on Thursday, that stuff from Wednesday is gone, girl. And that's the problem. If you are not going at the right time, you are not going to be able to find those viral items, because everyone's looking for them. And there's some women who come in at 8 o'clock as soon as they open up, and they'll take everything. I used to have that problem with hand sanitizers. There was a lady in my town who would just come in and take all of them, and I would never get any of them. And eventually I started coming in too early like her, and I figured it out. But you're just going to have to really pay attention to that and kind of like adjust your schedule to make sure you can pop in on those days when they're finishing up that stocking and you get the fresh selection of all of the goodies. That also might mean going a couple of times a week. Unfortunately, you know, if you are on the hunt for something specific, that might mean going more than once a week, because if they do end up getting that item, they only send one like stock of that item. They only send one batch, one little itty bitty batch for the whole store, for that whole thing, that whole line. So if you're not a part of the person who gets, you know, one of that, you're not going to get it. So that is my advice to you, is if you're looking for something specific, you got to go when they are stocking those shelves, girl, because that stuff disappears. There's people like me who are specifically looking for things, and we find them when they get on the shelves. So if you're not a part of that group, you might not find them. So my advice goes back to location. Certain locations just don't have a lot of foot traffic. They don't have that problem. Maybe find a store that does not go through their stock as quickly, and you will have a better chance of grabbing the items that you're looking for. Next tip that I've got for you guys is going to be communication. So you're just going to have to open up your mouth and not be afraid. Once I started talking to the workers and, you know, just treating them like humans, you know, I see them so much, they see me, they're like, why are you in here all the time? I told them what was up. Bet. Now they know, and they are so good. They help me all the time find stuff. And there's even one lady who'll ask me, what's good? What'd you find? Let me know. So she doesn't have to go look, because they're so busy working. So I definitely would suggest making friends with somebody. You know, they wear name tags, call them by their name, be nice and sweet. There's nothing wrong with that. Make a friend. But you know, sometimes that's what you got to do. And if they know you're looking for specific items, they might hook you up, girl. They might tell you they put it in a whole different place than you were even looking. It happens a lot more than you think. Next is walk the aisles twice. Girl, spin the block. Okay, so you guys don't know how much stuff I have found on my second round through an aisle because Dollar Tree stocks those shelves, y'all. There is so much to look at. There's so much to see that if you are just like walking through, you're gonna miss stuff. I miss stuff all the time. So a rule for me is I always I walk through that aisle at least twice, sometimes 3 times. If it's super stocked, I will go 3 times. I have no shame in my game because there's always something tucked behind something. There's always something that you just missed. You're looking up here and the good stuff's down there. It is what it is. So make sure that when you are looking and you are at the store, don't just walk through and say, oh, I didn't see anything. You got to walk through slowly, girl, and then you got to walk back. Okay. And also on that note, look behind items. Like I said, some stores, when they are like, if they aren't getting shopped a lot and they keep getting the inventory, they just stack things on top of each other. So those pallets I found recently were just pushed to the back because they had so much stuff. They had so much stock in that store. So my suggestion is make sure you're trifling through all of the pegs, all of the stuff. There's so many times that I found something I was looking for that was just hiding behind something and you didn't know because the thing it was hiding behind, you're like, girl, I don't want that. So make sure you're trifling through all of the shelves, all of the stuff. The 5th tip is, girl, don't give up. Keep looking, keep looking. Like I said, my Dollar Trees stock later than other Dollar Trees. They do not stock at the same time. So do not feel like if you're not seeing the things that I'm showing you at the same time I'm showing you that you're not going to get them. I will never forget when I first started my channel, there was an Ioni display that I wanted. I did not know how any of this worked. I didn't know they came out with displays all the time. I just thought it was something new and cool that I wanted, and I was trying to find that damn display. Oh my gosh, every video I was like, keep your Ioni fingers crossed for me, and I just couldn't find it. I couldn't find it, and I gave up. I was like, I'm never gonna get it. Our stores aren't gonna get it, whatever. It was like a month. It was like a month went by. And then one day I just walked into my Dollar Tree. I had given up. I wasn't even thinking about it, and it was there. Just sitting there, waiting for me. I got it all. So I'm saying this to say that your Dollar Trees are not going to stock at the same time as my Dollar Trees. It depends on the staff. It depends on what's going on in the world, the timing, the people, everything. So just keep looking. Don't give up. Keep going. Go back once a week. Now, if you see the display there and it's empty, then you kind of have a good idea. But if you have not seen a display, if you're looking for like the cherry on top, if you had not seen that cherry on top display at yours, or if you haven't seen just one little single item, some eyelashes, something, they haven't got it yet, girl. So you keep going back until you find it. And then when you find it, you'll just be doing your happy dance. All right, and then a bonus tip. My bonus tip for you guys is have fun with it. It's just makeup, guys. There's been a lot of things that I have been wanting that my Dollar Trees did not stock. So do not feel like I have like the mother loads. There are definitely creators that I see get stuff and I'm like, oh, I wish I could get that. There's a concealer palette that I've seen out that, girl, my Dollar Tree ain't even thinking about it. But that's okay because they're coming out with even more makeup, new stuff. There's always something fun to play with and to see. And if you have not been to Dollar Tree recently, then you're tripping because that is all they have right now is makeup, skincare, beauty products, everything. They are stocking their lives away. So before you head to Sephora, before you head to Ulta, before you think that you need to spend more money, you better head to Dollar Tree, girl. You better find that stuff. And if it's viral, that's okay. Just shop around. The fun, the happiness is in the hunt, right? So that is it, you guys. That is just a little quick little video. I had been thinking about this. It just really hurts my heart when I see you guys commenting about how you can't find stuff. I'm just thinking, oh, and I'm thinking, is there something weird going on? Why are my Dollar Trees finding stuff? But then I watch videos and there's people who have things that I've just never seen in my life. So do not be discouraged. And I just thank you guys so much for being here. That's all I've got for you guys today. I hope that you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are. And I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Jamie, but you can call me Fabs. And until the next one, do something that makes you happy today. See you. Love you. Bye.